As people move past the age of 50, cardiovascular health becomes one of the most important factors influencing long-term well-being. Arteries are responsible for carrying oxygen-rich blood from the heart to every organ in the body. Over time, however, a process called atherosclerosis can slowly develop. Atherosclerosis occurs when fatty substances, cholesterol, calcium, and inflammatory cells accumulate along the inner walls of arteries, forming what is known as plaque. This buildup gradually narrows the arteries and makes it harder for blood to flow freely. The challenge is that plaque can accumulate silently for many years before any noticeable symptoms appear. Scientific studies suggest that the inner lining of blood vessels, known as the endothelium, produces a crucial molecule called nitric oxide. Nitric oxide helps relax blood vessels, improves circulation, and protects arteries from inflammation. Unfortunately, as people age, nitric oxide production often declines, especially after the age of 50. While no single drink can magically remove plaque, certain foods and beverages contain polyphenol, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds that may help support healthier blood vessels and improve circulation when consumed regularly as part of a balanced lifestyle. In this video, we will discuss natural drinks that research suggests may support cardiovascular health. 1. Dandelion tea, gentle detox support. Dandelion tea has been used in traditional herbal practices for centuries. The plant contains antioxidants, potassium, and plant compounds that support liver function and fluid balance in the body. A healthy liver plays an important role in regulating cholesterol metabolism. By supporting the body's natural detoxification pathways, dandelion tea may indirectly contribute to healthier lipid balance and circulation. Simple recipe. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon dried dandelion root or leaves. 1 cup hot water. Instructions: steep the dandelion herb in hot water for about 10 minutes. Strain and drink warm once daily. 2. Cinnamon and raw honey drink. Cinnamon contains compounds that may help regulate blood sugar and reduce inflammation. Stable blood sugar levels are important because frequent spikes in glucose can damage blood vessels and contribute to plaque development. Raw honey contains antioxidants and natural enzymes, although it should be consumed in moderation because it still contains sugar. Recipe of cinnamon and raw honey drink. Ingredients: 1 cup warm water. 1/2 teaspoon Ceylon cinnamon powder. 1 teaspoon raw honey. Instructions: mix cinnamon into warm water and stir well. Add honey once the drink cools slightly. Drink in the morning before breakfast. 3. Green tea. Powerful polyphenol protection. Green tea is one of the most studied beverages for cardiovascular health. It contains powerful antioxidants called catechins, particularly EGCG, which may help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation inside blood vessels. Research has shown that regular green tea consumption may support healthy cholesterol levels and improve endothelial function. Simple recipe. Ingredients: 1 green tea bag or 1 teaspoon loose green tea. 1 cup hot water. Instructions: steep for 2 to 3 minutes to avoid bitterness. Drink 1 to 2 cups daily. 4. Black coffee. When used correctly, coffee contains antioxidants known as chlorogenic acids that may support metabolic health and circulation. Moderate coffee consumption has been associated with a lower risk of cardiovascular disease in several population studies. However, many people reduce coffee's benefits by adding excessive sugar or high-fat creamers. Healthier way to drink coffee. Drink 1 cup of black coffee in the morning without added sugar. If needed, add a small amount of cinnamon instead of sweeteners. 5. Hibiscus tea, natural blood pressure support. Hibiscus tea has gained attention for its potential to help support healthy blood pressure levels. The flower contains anthocyanins and polyphenol that may help relax blood vessels and improve circulation. Some studies suggest hibiscus tea may contribute to modest reductions in blood pressure when consumed regularly. Recipe of hibiscus tea. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon dried hibiscus flower. 1 cup hot water. Instructions: steep for 5 to 7 minutes until the tea turns deep red. Drink once daily. 6. Turmeric and black pepper tea, anti-inflammatory support. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound widely studied for its anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a key factor in the development of arterial plaque. Black pepper contains piperine, which helps increase the absorption of curcumin in the body. Simple recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup warm water or milk, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper. Instructions: mix the ingredients thoroughly and drink in the evening before bed. 7. Beetroot and raw cacao smoothie, nitric oxide booster. Beetroot is naturally rich in dietary nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide. This molecule helps relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. Raw cacao contains flavonoids that may further support vascular function and circulation. Recipe of beetroot booster. Ingredients: 1 small cooked beetroot, 1 teaspoon raw cacao powder, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1/2 banana, optional for sweetness. Instructions: blend all ingredients until smooth. Drink in the morning or before exercise. 8. Pomegranate juice, one of the most studied heart drinks. Pomegranate juice is rich in polyphenol and punicalagins, powerful antioxidants that may help protect blood vessels from oxidative damage. Some clinical studies have suggested that regular consumption of pomegranate juice may help support endothelial function and healthy blood flow. Pomegranate juice recipe. Ingredients: 1 fresh pomegranate or 1/2 cup pure pomegranate juice. Instructions: blend the seeds and strain if desired, or drink pure unsweetened pomegranate juice. Drink a small glass in the morning. A simple 30-day heart support routine. Improving cardiovascular health rarely comes from one single change. Instead, consistent habits practiced over time have the greatest impact. A simple routine might include drinking pomegranate juice in the morning, consuming nitrate-rich foods such as beetroot several times per week, incorporating anti-inflammatory spices like turmeric, and replacing sugary beverages with herbal teas such as hibiscus or green tea. Over several weeks, these small changes can support better circulation and metabolic balance. Common mistakes that reduce the benefits. Many people unknowingly cancel out the benefits of healthy drinks through daily habits that harm blood vessels. Adding excessive sugar to beverages can increase inflammation and blood sugar spikes. Consuming processed foods high in trans fats and refined carbohydrates may accelerate plaque buildup. Smoking, poor sleep, and lack of physical activity also negatively affect circulation. Healthy drinks work best when combined with balanced meals, regular movement, and proper weight management. Natural drinks can support cardiovascular health, but they are not a cure for heart disease and cannot replace medical treatment. Anyone with existing heart conditions should consult a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. However, consistent daily habits, including antioxidant-rich beverages, balanced nutrition, and regular exercise, can play a powerful role in supporting healthy arteries over time. Small choices practiced every day often create the biggest long-term improvements in heart health.